Hi, in this video we are going to see drone engage executing synchronized missions. Synchronized missions means that multiple drones are executing missions, but are waiting for each other and communicating with each other. The first drone here, drone 1, we will upload the blue plan. Right, load. The second drone here, we will upload the green plan. Right, load. Okay, now we will arm the first one.
Drone 2 flight mode is guided. Drone 2 flight mode is guided. Armed. Armed. Drone 2 is flying. Drone 2 is flying.
We will arm also the other one.
Drone 1 flight mode is guided. Drone 1 flight mode is guided. Armed. Armed. Drone 1 is flying. Drone 1 is flying.
We can move the drones here.
Point received. Point received.
Now let's execute the plan. Auto.
Drone 2 flight mode is auto.
Drone 2 flight mode is auto.
Drone 1 flight mode is auto. Drone 1 flight mode is auto.
This drone should go to this waypoint and then it will stop until this drone reaches this waypoint. See, this drone is now waiting for the other drone to reach the waypoint before it continues to the next waypoint. Drone 2 now reaches the waypoint, so drone 1 will start to move to the next waypoint. According to the plan, drone 2 will wait here in this waypoint until drone 1 reaches this waypoint. Now, both of the drones will move to the final waypoints. Now, as we can see here, we demonstrated the synchronized missions that drone engage can perform. There is another video shows how to draw or design these missions. Thank you.